So I'm in the walk-up lane right now. They won't let you in the bank unless you're, I guess, a VIP. I don't know, door lock, so I gotta, walk-up window. So I just left the store. It's an important video. So there's nobody there. It's dead. It's the deadest it's ever been. So they still have the deli and the fresh food, and they're still baking whatever. You should see it in there. They've had to discount. You just fire sale all the fresh food, the bakery food. They have a bakery in there, blah, 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 and for nothing. Nobody's there because everybody's buying. They hoarded all the horrible food to kill themselves. Just think about the hoarding food. It's going to kill you anyway. So the fresh stuff, they've got it slashed down to nothing. They're just overflowing. The shelves are overflowing with fresh food. They can't give it away. What a degenerate country. So I was just talking to, I know all these homeless around here. I've been walking the streets of this, my situation that I've been in for 8 years. I go for my walk, and every time, I got a few bucks extra. I know who they are, and I always make sure they have money. I remember, what's his name was standing over there one day, and I walked through this a few years ago, and I reached in my pocket, and gave him $5, and he started to cry. I said, what? And he says, that's the most money I've had in 3 years. I'm like, really? Same thing when I was walking the coast of California. So the only real capitalists left on earth, the only capitalists are the homeless, the people out begging, doing what the real ones. And I know who the real ones are, not the fake ones. I know who they are, and they're not getting no stimulus check. They're not getting shit, and so they're the only true capitalists left. But it's amazing to me, like I said, in the store, the fresh food, whatever, they've shut down anything healthy, anything good. Well, what am I talking about? The country, the Mormon churches suck them in. The Mormon church has a new logo, by the way. It's a blue Jesus with long-haired Jesus. I know the president of the Mormon church. He's a hard church here. I know him personally. And I like him, by the way, but the Mormon corporatists, they hate him. So he's introduced a new logo. It's blue, and Jesus, when they're going to start, maybe they'll start acting. I doubt it. They're the opposite. Up is down. So the byproduct of this whole nightmare, I still go for my walk. I'm going on my walk right now. I had to get my food supplies, and it's amazing. Anything healthy and fresh, there's nobody at the store. Nobody, not because they're afraid. No. They hoarded all the poison. They're going to sit home in their FEMA camp and eat their poison and kill themselves. Wasn't that the plan? Fukushima comes over, nobody gave a shit. They don't have to freaking eugenics you and kill you. Do it to yourself. It's like they're going to put you in a FEMA camp. You put yourself in a FEMA camp, you're paying a payment to Wells Fargo. Oh, they'll settle out of court for opening those bank accounts. Radio Roundup will settle up. Mission accomplished. What a byproduct. 311. No stairway to heaven, Kevin.